Hello guys, so today we are in Caleta de Fuste and I wanted to do a tour, a little walk, if I can say, and show you around. As you can see, it's pretty empty and we are on Saturday and it's around noon. Well, you can see there is a big lake of tourists. The beach is pretty empty though. Really empty. I'm going to walk all the way over there to reach the last bar restaurant. There is nobody, there is no one. It's stunning. I don't even know if the restaurants in this area are open. Let's have a look. Well, there is people playing volleyball. I hope to find a place to have a coffee. Well, you know, if you come to Caleta de Fuste, you can have the whole beach for yourself. I think that's a positive point. Wow, it's noon and it's closed. here people are playing volleyball. I like this game. A little bit of paradise. Yeah, as usual there is people selling stuff. Okay, so I have to admit there is people on the beach, but there is, I don't know, I think it's 50 people, but yeah, 50. We are not exceeding 100 people on the beach, for sure. Have a closer look. So the face mask is still an obligation, but I heard if the number of cases of coronavirus stay low, maybe this summer we could maybe take it off. I don't know, let's see what happens. Oh? No. The water is super clear. Okay, there is a lot more people here inside. I'm not going to film so much inside the complex. Okay. Okay, let's see if something is open here. I hope so. Or maybe I'm wrong. Maybe the restaurant open at 1 p.m. I don't know. No, this is definitely closed. There is music. I hope my mic doesn't pick the sound so much for the YouTube copyright. Well, looks like they are waiting for people for the excursion. Good luck. The first is closed. Oh, okay. The second is open. I will stop on my way back. Norway Sport Bar. Okay, so this one is open. Lucky. Today it's super windy, but at least we have sun. A really nice sun. Looks like this one is open too. I don't know. Looks like. I'm not sure. The souvenir shop is open. Okay, let's have a look if the last one is open or no. If it's open, maybe I will have a coffee here because the view is super cool. You have the view on the wall, on the wall beach, on the port. No, it's closed. It's closed. Look. We can't access. Okay. Let's go back to my first choice. Wow, this is super windy. Guys. Whew. Thank you for watching. I will have a little coffee and don't hesitate to text me, to send me a DM if you have any question. Okay, so hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching. Ciao.